Here's how to check the transmission fluid level on a Subaru Impreza. This is 2005 model. So get your engine warmed up. You can do it cold, but it's best to do it when the engine is at normal operating temperature. Park on a level surface, parking brake on, and then put your foot on the brake and run it through all the gears. Reverse, and D, 3, 2, 1, and back. And then put it in park, and then go look under the hood. On the driver's side, you're going to find a yellow handle down deep here. You can see it right there. And you have to have the engine running while you do this. So pull it out, wipe the oil off it, then stick it back in to get a reading and pull it out. So on the stick, you'll see 4 holes. So this is if you're checking it cold, you want it to be towards the high dot. So that's low cold, high cold. And then if you're checking it when it's hot, that means you're low, and this means you're good. So if you need to add fluid, you can see that's the hole down there. It's pretty deep in there, so you're going to need a long hosed funnel to be able to get in there. That's probably if you had like a foot long funnel extension, you could fill it up with that. And then replace the dipstick and you're done.